Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the battery drain problem or how to use battery saver in your device Samsung Z44. So if you want to learn about the battery drain problem or how to use battery saver in your device Samsung Z44, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the battery drain problem or how to use battery saver in your device.